Now we'll demonstrate how to install Python 3 on Windows. For Windows, you'll need to visit the official Python website at python.org and then head to the download page by clicking on the link to the left. For Windows, you should choose one of the MSI installers, depending on whether you are running on a 32 or 64-bit platform. Download and run the installer. In the installer, decide whether you want to install Python only for yourself or for all users. And choose a location for the Python distribution. The defaults will be in Python 3.3 in the root of the C drive. We don't recommend installing Python into program files because the virtualized file store used to isolate applications from each other in Windows Vista and above can interfere with easily installing third-party Python packages. On the Customize Python page of the wizard, we recommend keeping the defaults, which use less than 40 megabytes of space. In addition to installing the Python runtime and standard library, the installer will register various file types such as py files with the Python interpreter. Once Python has been installed, you'll need to add Python to your system path environment variable. To do this, from the control panel, choose System and Security, and then System. Using the task pane on the left, choose Advanced System Settings to open the Advanced tab of the System Properties dialog. Click Environment Variables to open the Child dialog. If you have administrator privileges, you should be able to add the paths Python 3.3 and Python 3.3 scripts to the semicolon separated list of entries associated with the path system variable. If not, you should be able to create or append to a path variable specific to your user containing the same value. Click OK once, twice, and 3 times to exit the dialogs. Now open a new console window. Either PowerShell or CMD will work fine, and verify that you can run Python from the command line. Welcome to Python. The triple arrow prompt shows you that Python is waiting for your input. At this point, you might want to skip forward while we show you how to install Python on Linux and Mac.